Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Crystal, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily remove paint from drawer pulls and knobs. Products we are going to need are white distilled vinegar, a wire brush or something similar, and a crock pot. You are going to want to use an old crock pot or a spare crock pot because you are not going to want to use food in it afterwards. So I recommend running up to the thrift store or a garage sale and just picking up a cheap one that you are only going to want to use for this purpose, and you will see why in just a few minutes.
Alright guys, here is my crock pot. I've got my white distilled vinegar in there and I'm adding my drawer pulls. I want to make sure that white distilled vinegar is covering the top of my drawer pulls. I'm adding my cover. I'm turning my crock pot on high and I'm setting it to 5 hours, and then I'm just going to let it sit. Alright you guys, here it is. 5 hours later, you can see this rust has formed from the metal. And that's one of the biggest reasons you don't want to reuse this crock pot. I don't know if toxins leach into the ceramic afterwards, but you can see how this paint is just falling right off. I once heard before that tequila makes her clothes fall off. Well, vinegar makes the paint fall off. Now I'm going to take my wire bristle brush and I'm going to scrub, scrub, scrub. I'm also going to wear some rubber coated protective gloves just because if I get a little crazy with that wire bristle brush, I don't want to accidentally scratch my hand or something like that. So now let's watch a couple minutes of how satisfying it is to remove this paint and expose the beautiful original finish of this hardware. Let's do a quick before and after shot of the handles.
Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!